Terminator de Javerne.
Today, it's a very special day.
Yeah.
You know what's happened today?
Yes, I know.
You know?
But you don't know.
You don't know.
You can see
Count the number of candles.
6 candles.
6 candles.
And
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Javerne. Happy birthday to you. Today is the birthday of Javerne. And he get a beautiful cake. And who is going to eat the cake?
You, of course.
You can blow the candles. Well done. We're leaving now Bali Bay. That's the final point in Madagascar, and we are heading to Richards Bay, South Africa. We're leaving now. Job.
He's doing a lot of mess.
A lot of mess, no. I fix your stuff. It's not, the mess it's before I come on board, and now the Javerne boat start to be a real catamaran. But before, guys, forget.
We just left Richards Bay, and we make the planning for the passage, 1,200 miles to go around, and according to the weather forecast, we will have at least 3 days. 3 days with over 30 knots of wind, but from the northeast, east, northeast. That means we will go down. We'll have side wind. That means side waves as well. It will be a little rough, but should be manageable for Javerne. We'll see on the way how it is. Anyway, we have 3 places where we can hide in case of a very high wind. We have Ilha di Fogo, the first point. We have Bazaruto, it will be the second point we can hide. And then we can go even to Maputo before reaching Richards Bay. But this one can be decided only on the way down. And of course, with Starlink on board, we can get the weather forecast all the time. That means we will know what's going on. After nearly 5 hours of sailing, we left this morning Bali Bay up here, and this is the route that we have to do. We have to go to Mozambique. We will close sailing close to the country, pass Lingalinga, Maputo, and then finish at Richards Bay, and we'll just go a little bit closer where we are now exactly. Okay, then we left Bali Bay here, and we are here now, and we are going against the wind, nearly 44 degrees, 9 knots of wind, 4 knots speed, but we have the third reef on the mainsail because the sail is get only the third reef available. That means no way to put the full sail. We have to repair it when we arrive in Richards Bay, and hopefully this evening we will be in Cap Saint-André here, and then we can carry on down and see how it goes. Very light wind condition now, but it's okay to start. It's a nice way to start. Not easy at all to leave Madagascar. Let's say the point, le Cap Saint-André was not really easy to leave. We had to tackle 2 times. The wind was completely against us, and around 2 o'clock in the morning we finally get out from this place. And now we are sailing slowly with our third reef in the mainsail and full Genaker. It's nice sailing, the nearly flat water, 7-8 knots wind, and we are still doing 5 knots speed. Hopefully we'll get in a week in Richards Bay. We'll see. One more night sailing, it's coming with very, very light wind, 5 knots of wind, and but we are with the current. Now we have the current with us, third reef again, and main front sail, small one, and 1 engine. That will be the noise for all the night for us until normally tomorrow we will get some more wind. Finally, the wind picked up last night around 10-11 p.m. and now we are nicely sailing side wind, downwind, around 18 knots of wind. We are doing between 7 and 9 knots speed. All okay, everything is fine. The sea is not so bad. 1.5 meter waves. A little choppy, but funny and nice, and all good for the at least next 3 days regarding the weather forecast. We'll see on the way. Hey, you're wondering how is it on the cat at 1 a.m. morning at my night shift with nearly 30 knots of wind, and we did a 16 knot surf, and we have an average speed of 8.5 knots. That means very nice speed, and everything is okay on the cat. We are with the Janaka in front. That's all sail we have. The main sail is down anyway. It's destroyed because we have only the third reef available, and we'll repair it in Richards Bay. Okay, a lot of noise on the cat. Yes, you hear the water splashing under the hill, and that's normal. Anyway, nice sailing, and we'll be in Richards Bay very quickly if the winds stay like this. But now we drop a little bit. We have 23, 24 knots. Everything's okay. The wind just dropped a little bit now. We have only 19, 20 knots wind. And this is the current chart. And we had, that was the planning. Planning is the green boat. And we are on the small blue point here. And this is the current that we are going to get in a few hours. We'll get quite a lot of currents, up to 4 knots. That will be absolutely great to go fast with the boat. Yeah, we have 20 knots, 7-8 knots speed. It's great. We still have 720 miles to go to Richards Bay, and between 3, 4, 5 days to reach Richards Bay, and we don't know now because of the wind how it will be. Anyway, we follow and we carry on. It's just beautiful and amazing to do this trip in the Mozambique Channel. It's beautiful. A new day starts with a beautiful sunrise. The sun is coming up. We had a lovely night with up to 30 knots of wind. It was great, and the boat is still going very well. No problem on the boat, and we follow the current chart, and we still have 18-20 knots of wind, and we are doing 7-8 knots. Just with the Janaka, because the mainsail is nearly out of order, have to repair.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire? Attention!
Big problem on the boat last night. We break a piece that hold the Janaka. This kind of name I don't know. Anyway, you can see the image, and now we are straight to Richards Bay to hull out the boat. Water is coming in, but it's coming out as well. That means it's just on the waterline. I mean, it's not dangerous, but we have to watch and be careful. I dismantled the Janaka, I put it on the bridge, and so there is no stress in the rest of the material. And we'll fix it I will do some things when we reach Richards Bay.
I'm going to show you how dirty is our boat. Extremely dirty. It's terrible.
Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Escaping your pain now. You break down. You're drained now. Your heart pounds. Your lips move. Your eyes shine. You lose it all. Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you. Got to